If you ever had a problem where you can no longer access your NTFS drive, I'll teach you one way you can fix that. If you get this message when you try to access, for example, an external hard drive in your machine, and it's formatted NTFS, and you get this error, for example, on Windows 10, location is not available. The letter of your drive, in this case H, colon, / not accessible. The file or directory is corrupted or unreadable. One way you can fix this problem is if we use a command called chkdsk. So here's the documentation for that command, chkdsk. You can find documentation in the Microsoft website, docs.microsoft.com. Here's the URL if you want. You can just make a search for the chkdsk docs. In any case, we're going to use this command to try to fix your drive so we can get access again. And the options I'm going to use are /f and /r. And so just so you know what that does, I'm going to scroll down in the documentation and explain each of those options. The option /f fixes errors on the disk. Okay, so you can use that, start with that, and if you want to do more, we can also add the -r, which locates back sectors and recovers readable information. Okay, so we're going to combine /f and /r. So what you're going to do is you look for cmd or try to find cmd in your menu, and that's the command prompt. So open the command prompt. Now you're going to type chkdsk space, the letter of your drive followed by a colon. In my case, it's D colon space, and then you're going to use //f, okay? And that should fix the problems. If you want to do more, and it might take more time, you can also add the space /r. So chkdsk space letter, in my case D, colon, space, /f space /r. And I already pressed enter to run the command. I already ran it, so I'm running right now. So I'm going to show you what it's doing. So it went through it's going through the whole drive and it's fixing problems as it finds them. And because I use the -f with the -r, it's also doing additional stuff, and it might take time depending how much capacity your hard drive has. In my case, I have an external drive that's pretty big, so it's going to take some time, maybe a few hours. You can see ETA here, 2 hours, 30 minutes still. So because it's going through everything and try to in this case, stage 5, looking for bad free clusters. There's so many things it does. Anyway, so that's it. chkdsk, so you can find errors in your disk, like a hard drive, external hard drive, anything that's format NTFS, or FAT for that matter, whatever. All right, so here's the documentation. If you want to read it before you try. But hope that helps you fix your problem trying to access your drive that says it's corrupted or unreadable. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.